welcome to another section of the smartphone design training. My name is Daniel Peter, and today we are going to be learning on how to create a birthday design. Alright, so with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so this is the interface of the Pixel Lab, as you can see. Now, as you can see, we have several tools here. We have different kinds of tools that we can use for our designs. We have different kinds of tools. So now, what we are going to do now, we are going to change this background to a natural color, which is white color. By coming to this place here, change it to white color. Yeah. So let's bring in our content one after the other. Okay, so happy birthday. Happy. Change the color to black. Just here, change the color to black. Then click on your check mark. There, go to font. So the name of the font that we're going to be using is Biba's New Regular. And for some of you, I don't think you have this kind of font. If you don't have this kind of font, you can go to www.dafont.com. Dafont.com. Now this is the font that we're going to use. It's a very nice font, very good font. So stretch it a little bit. Now let's set up our grid for proper alignment. So bring it to this side here. Then you copy and that should be there. Just leave it like this. Right. So copy again. Then this should be there. So let's bolden the font by coming to this side here. Click there, then come here. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, just come here, change it, and bolden it from here. Same thing with this one too. Bolden it. This one here. Just leave it like this. The birthday is very important, right? Very important than that one. So you need to understand. You need to follow the principles. Follow the principles. Do not bend your principles. Follow the principles, right? So we are going to put in a shape around this side to cover that space. That's the essence of putting that shape, just to cover the space around there. Just select a color. Just fold it properly and just leave it there. Alright, so just take it up a little bit. Okay, right, just leave it there like that. So the next one, let's select another text by coming to this plus icon here. Then text. So the name of the celebrant is Lillian. Alright, Lillian. So increase it. So change the text background. Come here and change text background to black. Alright, black color. Then change the color here to white. Change the font. Change the font to a thicker font. Thicker font is okay. Okay, open both. Now let's reduce the bottom padding to 22. Then the top padding to no. Okay. Alright. No, this is still. The left padding should be 10 by 10. 10 by 10 is okay. 10 by 10. Reduce it a little bit. Bring it to this side here. Right. So let's bring in another text, like a prayer, which is the subordinate. Like, okay, let's say leave long and excel. Live long and excel. All right. So we're going to change the font also. We're going to change the font to medium font. All right, medium font. All right, so change the color to black. All right, so now we are going to put in a shape around this side here. A shape around this side, just to make the design look so communicative, to look more appealing. All right, yeah, to look more appealing. So let's select a shape by coming to this icon here. All right, stretch it, change the color to this. Now come to your mask tool, click on your mask tool, then click on enable, click on out, then scroll down and come here, then drag it up, then come to this side here to expand the shape. This is okay. Then come here, right, then click there. So let's reduce all this triangle. We need only two. We just need two to be around the cycle. So let's just come here to reduce it to 2, right? So that's okay. So let's drag it to this side, to where we can create the effect. Okay. Whenever you're doing this, please, I want you to take your time. Please don't rush. Take your time. All right. So now let's see how we can get our shape here to get the form. So let's drag this, okay? Please take your time whenever you're doing this. Just take your time. Do not rush your work. Do not rush the process, all right? All right. Yeah, we are getting there gradually. We are getting there. Okay. I think this is, let's see. Just fold it here a little bit. We're almost there, we're almost there. You just need to take your time to do this. It's not that too hard. It's not too hard at all. Not too hard. Alright. I think we are there already. Okay, so I think we need to bring this down. Okay. Alright. This is it. So just rotate it like this. Then stretch it. So bring it here and send it to the back. Send it to the back by coming here. Send it to the back, alright? Okay, so just drag it to this side. So what we are going to do now, we are going to increase all these elements one after the other. Just increase it a little bit. I think this is okay. To what? To 141. So same thing with others. 141. All right. Okay, 141. So let's change the colors to white color. White color. Alright, so I think this is okay. So we change this one also to white color. Alright. So now we are going to copy this text. Just copy it, just click on it, click on this layer. Is either you come here. There are two ways on how to copy your elements. You can come here, click here, then come here. Right? Now change this color. Change this color to change it to this one. Yeah. Change it to this one. Now send it to the back. Then take it inside. Take it inside. Okay, see, something is wrong there. What is going on there? Okay. Alright, so just send it to the back. Okay, I'm going to lock this layer. Let me see what's happening there. Alright, this is nice. Alright, so lock your layer. Lock it. Alright, so we are going to put in a shape around this side here, which is the date. We are going to put the date there. Select a shape, select another shape. Select a shape, then change the color to this. Just leave it like that. Just put it here like this. Then put the date around here, 15th of February. Then copy and change the date to and change the month to February. Alright, so change the fonts to, we're going to be using a lighter font for this. Now I want you to watch every single step. Try to understand what I'm trying to do here. I changed it to extra light, poppins extra light. Right. So the 15th, which is the date, the day, we are going to use a bold font for that one because it's very, very important. So whenever you're creating the designs, graphic designer, we don't just create designs. All right, we are passing informations. Whenever you're creating designs, just ask yourself, what are you passing out? What are you passing out on that design? You need to ask yourself that question. Are you just creating the design for fun? Just creating it for nothing? You need to understand. You need to ask yourself questions, right? So now you can see the difference between these two. You can see there's contrast among them. Now the contrast among them is the 15th of February. The February is not that important. It's the date. The the date of the birthday, you understand, the name of the date of the birthday, the date of the celebrant is 15th February. You can see there's contrast among them. So when people open the design, and what they will see first is the 15th. The 15th is looking more visible than the February, right? So graphic design is not too hard. You just need to understand the principles guiding it. So now let's create a shape around this side here to cover up the space. Right. So just put it there. Right. So we're going to create a small shape around that side, around this side here, just to cover up the little space that is there. Just fold it and just leave it like this. Okay. Let's see, that's okay. I think there was a shape there before. I don't know where the shape went to. Alright, so we just leave it like this. Yeah, I think this is looking. Trying to increase it a little bit. Right, I think this is okay. Right, so now let's take them up a little bit. Let's take them up a little bit. Let's take them up. Let's take them up a little bit. So this one too, we're going to take it up a little bit, and this, take this up to a little bit, right? And the little line around there, just take it up a little bit. All right. So now let's put in another little shape behind this gate. Just reduce the opacity to 20. Right, so just take it behind, just increase it a little bit. Right. That's it. All right. So now we're going to bring in our image. Let's bring our image by going to our gallery. Okay, let's wait till it's load. Okay. All right. Let's scroll down. Okay. This is the image that we're going to be using. All right. Let's stretch it. So just come here and select another photo. Still the same photo, but the photo with background, we are going to select the one with background, right? The one with background. Okay. The one with background. Hold on. Alright. Okay, click on enable. So let's reduce a little bit. So we're going to send that to the back. Send that to the front. I think it's too big. Okay. We'll send that to the back. Alright. So as you can see, that the space in between our two this text is looking somehow. So we're going to adjust all these elements to this side. We're going to adjust them to the back, so there'll be space around that side. Space around it. All right. I think this is a little bit cool. So the date should be here. Reduce it a little bit, okay? Okay, I think there's something wrong somewhere else there. Okay, just reduce it a little bit, not to. Okay. Send it to the back. Then all this one, we're going to move it to this side. Just a little bit. Then this one too. This one also, just move it to this side a little bit. Alright, I think this is cool. Send that to the back. All right. So this is still, let's just leave this one here, or let's bring it to this side. Okay. To make sure that everything is on the same line. Everything should be on the same line. Let's try bringing them down a little bit just to cover up the space. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to add in colors. We are going to add in colors one after the other. Now the colors we are going to pick a color from this image. From this image right here, this lady's shirt, the lady's clothes, all right? Now the best way to pick image that will blend well in your design is picking colors from an image. All right. So let's select colors one after the other. So just come to this side here, change your color, then come here, click on this button here, then click on it. Now zoom in and let's pick from the color here. Yeah, pick it from this color here. Yeah, you can see the color is not looking good. So what we are going to do now, we're going to put ingredient. We are going to add ingredients here. Just click on this plus icon here, then click here, right? Then come here, just come here, then zoom in. Still on the cloth. We're going to use this color here, right? Then the next one, all right. So now, like this gradient now, the colors that we're using here has to blend very well. It has to blend very well. You're going to use a darker shade and also a lighter shade of this green color. Now, let's use darker shade here, a little bit of dark shade, then this one, a little bit of light shade. All right, let's see what will happen there. Still not looking good. We're going to use another color there. Okay. All right. So I think this is okay. So change the color here to white or to yellow color. Orange color is okay here. Orange color. Then change this to orange color too as well. Orange color. The date. Change the date to we're going to use a red color for that. Pick a color from the ladies' shirt, which is red. I'm picking red from there. There's a little bit of dark. Okay, this is cool. Then the next one should be red too as well. Then increase the opacity to either 29 is okay. So we'll leave it like that. Then the next shape in the background, change the color to we're using another green color for that. All right. This is not looking good. All right. That's it. All right. So just put in a background around the design. So this background I want to use on the background I wanted to use. For the background, okay. So this is the background here. So this background is a WhatsApp background, right? WhatsApp background. So just erase the color to, right, just leave it like this. Okay, then change it to black and send it to the back. All right, yeah, so send it to the back. Then reduce the opacity to 20. Alright, so select a shape, reduce the opacity to 20. Right? So rotate it like this and stretch it. bring it down a little bit. Bring it down, bring it down. Let it be on top of the lady. Alright. That's it. So just reduce the opacity to, yeah, okay. So as you can see, that's how to create a flyer design. So let's save it as project. You can save it as save a birthday flyer. Birthday flyers. Okay, I'll leave like birthday flyer there. Alright, so after saving it as project, you can also save it to your gallery. Alright, you can save it to your gallery. So that's how to create a flyer design. So if you have any question, please send them to me. I'll reply them as soon as possible. Alright, thank you very much. My name is Daniel Peter.